Chef Paul Heerlein teaches aspiring young chefs at Hawaii Community College in Kealakekua. He says a big part of his program is bringing students and farmers together to get to know each other. He says there are so many farmers in this area growing so many rare types of fruits and vegetables that his students get to try recipes with produce that chefs on the mainland rarely even get to see. And that, he says, gives his students a competitive edge.
The students and the farmers meet through various venues that we do. Taste of the Hawaiian range, when we take them out on the field in the field studies, at the various conferences that we do. And the students also get to hear the dialogue that exists between professional chefs and farmers, and how the word between the farmer and the chef needs to be impeccable. They get to talk to the farmers and understand the farmers' growing concerns and the conditions of the soil and how the plant grows. They get to taste product that they normally would have never gotten the opportunity to take. You got to remember, these products are really unique. I mean, not all of them. A lot of them they see in their own yards, like guava and pineapple, but like tropical apricot and kitambila and grumi chama. Most of these things, most chefs, even in Hawaii, have never heard of these products. We'll take them down to, we have our project site at Napo'opo'o Road, and we'll introduce them. We'll pick tropical apricots, we'll pick tree tomatoes, we'll pick citrus, we'll pick figs, and then we'll bring them back into the lab, into the kitchen, and we'll make delicious product with them. They also have to incorporate one of these 154 exotic fruits into their luncheon project that we do every week to the guests. I don't know of any place else in the world where students get this opportunity to work with farmers and firsthand with these great plethora of fruits and this opportunity. We had a top chef over here 3 years ago. I think it was 2006, and the winner actually made a sorbet with the Suriname cherry. Now that's a product that we use all the time. The chef had to ask us, how do you use this? What do you do with this thing? And it's easy to make a beautiful sorbet when you have really great fruit. But yeah, this is really unique that the students get this opportunity. They have an edge on anyone else using these products. I had a student a few years ago. He was really pretty poor at academics, but when we were able to take him into the field and integrate the products into the project and taste the product. For example, we made a tropical apricot dressing, a vinaigrette, that was delicious. And then the outcome of that recipe that he created was published on the World Wide Web. And it just gave him such an incredible self-esteem and a feeling that he can do. And the next thing you know, he graduated with an AAS degree. We also make jams, preserves, jellies, and sauces. So the students get to learn how to manufacture product. They get to learn how to do sales, marketing. They also get to work with water activity issues and sanitation issues that need to be addressed when making those type of products. And it's an added value to their culinary repertoire that they already get here. Who knows, maybe the student in 5 years will be buying 1,000 pounds of grumi chama a week and create a market for grumi chama and use it into the sauce. Sometimes that's the best way to get farmers growing on stuff, is just say, hey, I'm going to buy 10,000 pounds of tropical apricot. Who's going to sell it to me? Instead of all the other process, just say, I will buy it. And people will grow it if you'll buy it. Farmer-chef relations, your word is the most paramount thing, in the communication, that it really is, as I said before, impeccable. If the farmer says you're going to get Bronx Pearl lime at this size, which is just a little bit smaller than a baseball, whatever the count may be, that's what you get. If it deviates, the farmer should notify the chef so that the chef could properly plan. And it works the other way too with the chef. If the chef's going to take an item off the menu or change something, that they give the farmer plenty of lead time, months in advance. It builds a great network and a rapport. It's really important to be empathetic, to go to the field, to build these relationships, to get to know one another. Also, if the farmer understands the chef's role and job, and let's say you had a really busy night on Saturday and you need product on Sunday, the farmer's going to probably bring it out to you on a Sunday. And in turn, you want to invite the farmer into the restaurant to eat their delicious, their great product on the house, so that you could build this team. The building a team is so important.